This is the Coolfly Smart Bird Watching Camera. It uses 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and can identify 10,000 plus species with the free app. It charges. It can last up to 20 days on a charge. You can add an optional solar panel. It does work best 7.9 inches to 10 inches away from wherever you're filming. But what I like about this, and I have another bird feeder with the camera, is you can put it wherever you want. It is waterproof and it's super easy to get started. If you have an Apple phone, if you have Android, you just download it from the store. There's a little QR code on the top. You connect it to your Wi-Fi and you're ready to go. It's got the 2.5 UHD live camera and it even has color night vision. If you don't want to use the premium service on the app, this does have storage up to a 256 gigabyte SD card. So you can put that in there and you're good to go. Here's the camera outside. Very easy. I used the mount that I bought separately. It's going to get you a really close-up look here. You can put it wherever you want, which I love. With a great daytime camera and the color night vision, I'm super excited to have this. Let's see what this looks like when it identifies a bird that flies onto here. The name of the bird does appear on the app. This was a tree sparrow. Very cool getting this close up with the bird, getting to see it fly away and fly back in.